I've been copyrighted. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a get ready with me, and this is my child. If you guys don't know, I had a baby and this is my baby. She's my little and we're in the sorority, so yeah, this is my little and I'm her big. We're just gonna be doing like a get ready with us and just doing our makeup, chilling, asking some like tea questions. Veronica's gonna spill the tea. She doesn't know because I came up with the questions, but yeah.
I'm excited, okay.
If you could go on a date, just like friend, you know.
What do you mean just friend?
It can be friend, but I guess romantic. Just like have a date.
So just hang out?
Yeah,
okay.
With anyone dead or alive. Who would it be and why?
So hang out or date?
Damn, these are hard. It's only the first one.
I know. Question.
Damn, she got me there.
Who would you go? You go first.
Okay, well, if I had to pick a day to hang out with someone, it would be Ariana Grande because I would like to hang out with her.
Okay, I think we should do hang out and then date because if like, I don't know, for date I would definitely choose a different person to hang out with.
Okay,
you know?
who are they for you?
Okay, for date, Salman Haj. That's my baby. I feel like we've talked about him before. He's the guy that does the Netflix and he talks about like politics and stuff. I just think he's so cute and he's so funny and I'd go on a date with him.
I'm gonna have to Google him.
We haven't seen him
Did
together?
people say Google him?
Google? Yeah, I'd Google him.
Okay. No, I mean maybe you showed him to me because it sounds familiar, but I don't know.
I feel like I talk about him all the time.
Definitely not all the time.
Okay.
Okay, so who is Jesus Christ? My smoker's coughing out of nowhere. Excuse me. Who's the other person?
I'd probably want to hang out with Amy Winehouse.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think she's dope.
Why so?
I don't know. I think she'd be like a really badass bitch to like hang out with and have fun with.
So next question. We'll keep it easy since that one seemed to like really
Throw me
stumble
off.
you.
Yeah, I know. You told me ahead of time too, and I still couldn't think of anybody.
I literally only told her 2 questions ahead of time so I could get like her like genuine response. Sephora or Ulta?
Ulta, because I didn't have like Sephora's growing up. I mean, like we did, but they were far. It was like at Woodfield Mall. And every time you would have to like go to a Sephora, you would have to drive.
Would you consider doing a YouTube channel?
No.
No.
That's too out there.
But you're out there.
I feel like I'm out there, but to like 5 people. I don't know, I don't have anything to offer. I would just do like dumb stuff.
Dumb stuff. She does nails. She likes to do like acrylic. She did my gel. Oh,
I was
sorry.
Acrylics?
Gel.
Acrylics?
And you do hair. You're really into hair.
Oh yeah. And there does box dye in my dorm. Yeah, I guess.
And you cut hair.
Oh, I do cut hair.
So you do nails, you cut hair, and you do makeup, and you're super fashionable. She loves to go like thrifting, and she like puts together
you're
like
really
really
hyping
cute
me up right
outfits
now.
and stuff like that.
You're really hyping
She's got
me
good
up.
fashion
I wasn't ready
sense,
for this.
and like you know, that's
Damn.
like total basis of like a fashion, beauty, lifestyle. Veronica.
I would feel
vlogs.
so bad though.
And you would do, and she does vlogs. Like she went to Cancun and she did like a little vlog her whole journey. And like when she eats food, it's like the most beautiful art form of like eating food. And it makes you like want.
You're so nice.
Watch it and like eat it.
I didn't expect you to like. I did not expect us to be this nice to each other going in
this video.
Yeah, I thought I was just gonna be like, we're dicking around and we're doing makeup.
I mean, it can be. Let's take it there. You're a bitch.
Okay, cool, good.
What was your first impression of me? Ooh, the juicy
I
stuff.
feel like we talked about this before when we got really deep on your couch.
Yeah,
I thought you were gonna be a bitch, but I feel like you get that a lot.
I do get that a lot. Kinda.
Yeah, but then you were talking to Vanessa and you guys were just laughing and laughing and laughing and I was like, oh, okay, she can't be too bad. And then you told that story about how you like mopped the table at Dunkin' Donuts and I was dying.
It was a broom.
Okay, you broomed it. What is it? Swept? Broomed it. But yeah, you talked about that and I was like, that's fun. And I was like, oh, I could see myself being friends with her.
Why did you think I was a bitch?
You had a really cold face.
I know. People always tell me
You
that.
do have a cold
I
face.
don't think I do though.
You do?
I think it just looks normal like everybody else. Or is
No.
everyone else standing there like,
Well, no, but no one else looks like, I don't know, so cutthroat.
oh,
Like, you look cutthroat.
what does that even mean? I feel like you're doing your whole face and I look the same since when I started.
Yeah, what was your first impression of me? Even though I already know.
Your first impression of my first impression of you
Mm-hmm.
would be that you're kind of, say it, pretentious.
Pretentious.
Basically like very smart, very educated, and very like, I'm here. Favorite memory together. What's your favorite memory of us together? Really think it through.
We have a lot of good ones.
No pressure. So I don't really wear foundation when I do like an everyday type of look, so I'm just gonna do concealer under the eyes and I'm just gonna dot it on instead of doing the lines so that it's not like you can't tell that I'm just wearing only concealer. And I conceal my nose, the sides right here. I break out a lot right here. I'm actually currently breaking out. And around my chin.
I know, I've been thinking, we had good ones, like when we went to the Bernie campaign, when we sang karaoke that one time about Cardi B.
Oh god.
That was a good memory. We kept saying Michael Jackson. We were gonna do Michael Jackson. We were like, okay.
Yeah, I really wanted to do Michael Jackson.
And we got up there and you're like, Cardi B! You're like, Bodak Yellow!
And we did Bodak Yellow. I was kind of embarrassed afterwards.
Why?
I don't know.
I just remember like thinking we got
regret
it, and then I was like, we get up there and I'm like, like I was like, fuck, I can't breathe. Like, we were also drunk, so I don't know if I just couldn't breathe because we were drunk and like I wasn't like there fully. And
Oh no, I didn't feel like that during. I killed it. I felt amazing. I felt great. I was really excited.
Damn, so just bash me, right? So
I
was
did.
just like,
I guess that was. I didn't know you were feeling like that.
I was like, fuck this. I was like,
So yeah, I just conceal honestly, and I use like something that's not super thick so that you can't tell like, oh wow, there's tons of makeup here, and like the rest of my face isn't like all maked out. So
maked out.
yeah, that's a word now. It's all
Maked out?
Yeah, all maked out, like makeup out. Are you curling your lashes with a spoon?
Yeah.
You do that? That's a thing?
We haven't talked about this?
No.
Yeah.
So cool. DIY queen. See, you're DIY queen.
You're
too.
right.
Wow.
Teach people how to curl their eyelashes with a spoon. I feel like I didn't say anything about it. People are gonna be like, what the fuck is she doing? Like, pulls out a spoon.
I know. I didn't know that's what it was. I was like, it looks like a spoon, but I don't think it's a spoon. Where did you learn that?
My mom. I feel like it's a Hispanic thing. Like, every Hispanic knows,
Don't go there. Don't. You guys like the outer look or like the zoomed in effect?
I like the outer
zoom.
look. Okay.
Okay, this spoon. One makeup product you can't live without. What would it be? The spoon.
Literally the spoon, like the spoon.
So I'm gonna use this Glossier cloud paint in the color Beam, and I just honestly started doing this a few days ago. I just took a little bit of the liquid blush and put it on like a little brush. This is a tiny e.l.f. brush, and I like doing liquid blush when I do like a more simple look because then it lasts longer.
This is so wild. Every time you talk, I like stop talking and I feel like I'm watching you.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Like, oh my god.
That's why I always overdo it on the blush.
Oh my god. Oh no, I'm just kidding.
What?
I was like, I didn't put on the blush you gave me. And I was like, I did.
Oh.
That was one of my favorite memories of us.
Yeah?
Yeah, when you bought me that blush.
Get Jula. Can you please say it for me?
Which one?
What I always ask you to say.
You forgot the.
No.
Oh.
You have to say in Spanish.
Which one?
The
Oh, se te olvidó.
What's your favorite thing that I put you onto? Something where you're like, oh yeah, like you put me on to whatever, anything.
I mean the blush. Blush you got me, you put me onto that. You picked that one out. That was a good blush.
What is it? It's NARS what?
Bumpy Ride.
Oh.
I feel like I didn't drink as much beer, like modelos, until I started hanging out with you.
Hell yeah, modelos are where
I
it's
think
at.
you that's what you put me on.
I did. I'm just gonna use the Hollywood Flawless filter for a Superstar Youth Glow, which is like a glowy product. I'm gonna apply it over my cheeks right here. It also gives a little bit of coverage. Spill the tea, really. What is one thing that I don't know about you, but like really spill the tea?
I feel like we hang out all the time, so you don't know that I get annoyed with people super duper quickly. And I'm scared I'm gonna get annoyed of you.
Really?
Like, yeah, which is gonna suck. Like, I'll hang out with people for a bunch. Like, I'll hang out with them for like a long period of time, and then I don't know, we're just boom. I'm like annoyed, and I don't want to talk to them, and I don't talk to them for like a month. And that hasn't happened yet. So I mean, that's good. But I mean, if it happens, it's gonna suck.
What is your favorite and least favorite quality about me?
Least favorite quality? You don't text back. She doesn't text back ever.
Yeah, it's true. And you started to do it to me, and then
Yeah.
it pissed me off.
Good. Good. Your best quality? Probably how generous you are. Yeah. But like with everything, because you do a lot. Like she does everything for me. She'll buy me food whenever I want to. Like she'll buy my Ubers. But like generous in general, like with your advice, with your time, like with just everything.
Your least favorite quality would be, let me really think. Oh god, when you're in a bad mood.
Are you serious? I didn't think it was gonna be that one.
What did you think?
The fact that I'm always late.
Oh no, I'm always late.
I thought, because you get irritated. You're like,
I'm not being serious.
oh, well, now I know.
Yeah, not about the being late. I was just giving you shit for it because I just like talk shit. But yeah, oh my god, this girl is always like, I'm also queen of being late. I'm queen of never being on time. Ask Kevin. Oh my god, I'm just such a hypocrite. Because like, and now it's like on the other side, I can tell someone to be like,
you're my Kevin.
yeah.
I'm
Literally.
Yeah, you're my
Literally.
Kevin.
It is.
If I'm your Nicole, and you're my Kevin, one of my, like, when I find somebody, am I gonna be their Kevin?
They're Nicole.
Yeah.
You're gonna be.
I feel like I'm
Nicole.
always the Kevin.
But I'm Kevin though.
Nope.
When did you truly know we were going to be best friends?
Probably that one time that we stayed like super duper late. It was like me, you, and Aaliyah, and we were watching like haunted ghost stories. Yeah, the Shea Dawson. Then we watched like Daisy Marquez's Haunting or whatever.
Yeah.
And we stayed here and we were talking like all this deep stuff, and we got like really super duper serious. And I was like, oh, I like her. I don't know. I just thought we were gonna be close.
Yeah,
Like,
me
it was
too.
just easy to talk to.
It was. I agree. Okay, great.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so yeah,
That's
that's it. That's it for our Get Ready With Us. I hope you enjoyed the looks. We came up with very natural, sort of natural face. This is your everyday face.
Yeah,
this is just like, also, yeah,
minus eyeshadow.
minus eyeshadow, because you're super fast.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's only 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm super
But I
slow.
feel like I
and
forgot
you
half
did a
my
lot.
shit
You did
here.
bronzer, so yeah, you got a lot more done in that time than I did. But this is like still my everyday
Yeah,
face.
we were
You
talking
know?
about like faces, and you're like, you put on bronzer and blush, and I was like, yeah, you don't.
Blush, concealer, mascara, and then a little bit of like a highlight. That's what I do. And then you put foundation. I do. Nice. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you made it to the end, great, awesome. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you liked seeing Veronica on my channel, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments so she can have like a second go at it. Maybe I'll do even. Yeah, yeah.
I
Ready?
can.
Yeah, do. Ready? BRB.
I'm done.
Start doing that eyeshadow.